Welcome to Wholesale Business-to-Business Account Relations with All Furniture Services. All Furniture Services provides professional services to all manufacturers, stores, retailers, designers, vendors, warehouses, medical facilities, offices, hotels, restaurants, construction, moving, logistics, delivery, warranty, insurance, protection plan companies, as well as individual customers. The professional team of the company is capable of handling as well as carrying everything necessary to provide immediate on-site repairs, restoration, upholstery, cleaning, color matching, refinishing, painting, leather and vinyl dyeing, parts installations, disassembly and reassembly, power and manual sleeper or recliner mechanism work, wood, veneer, laminate, metal, glass, plastic, acrylic, stonework, as well as inspections and cost determination. For over a decade, the primary goal has and always will be to service clients with the utmost professionalism and quality work that continues to set the company apart from other companies in the industry. AFS have a one-of-a-kind online portal that provides you with instant access from anywhere to create service work order, send receive comments, check scheduled dates, reports, invoices, before and after pictures, tags and serial numbers, signed papers, as well as getting informed about repeat issues to help you with improving quality control. Servicing multiple states and having technicians that specialized in different materials and fields allows them to handle everything needed by best rules and procedures that were set in place and constantly improving with years of experience. Opening an account with All Furniture Services is free and will give you faster turnaround, higher completion rate, wholesale service prices, big savings on parts and exchange, more satisfied customers, and highest level of convenience with live updates, speed, and record for all your service needs. Submit a B2B form on the site, email info@furnitureservices.com, or call at 718-268-2727.